Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel, watch the videos and participate with competitive world.
What is the 2020 Tokyo Olympic mascot? Answer C. Mirai Toa. Mirai Toa is the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games mascot. Its name comes from the Japanese word Mirai, meanings of it future, and Toa, meanings it eternity. Next. What do the 5 rings on the Olympic symbol represent? Answer B. The 5 continents. The symbol was originally created in 1913 by Coubertin. He appeared to have intended the rings to represent the 5 continents: Europe, Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Oceania. Next. Which team lead the procession of athletes at the opening ceremony of the Olympic Games? Answer B. Greece. Next is the following Olympic Games was the Olympic flag flown for the first times? Answer C. 1920 Antwerp. The Olympic flag was created under the guidance of Baron de Coubertin in 1913 and was released in 1914. It was first hosted in 1914 in Alexandria, Egypt. Next. Which of the following countries won the maximum number of medals at the first Olympic Games in 1896? Answer D. Greece. Next. Who of the following is known as the father of modern Olympics? Answer. Ferrier de Coubertin. Ferrier de Coubertin, visionary and founder of the modern Olympics, International Olympic Committees. Next. Which language other than English is the official language of the International Olympic Committee? Answer B. French. Next. What is the motto of the Tokyo Olympic 2020? Answer D. United by emotion. Next. At which of the Olympic Games was Olympic flame introduced for the first times? Answer C. 1928 Amsterdam. The Olympic flames as a symbol of the modern Olympic movement was introduced by architect Jan Wills, who designed the stadium for 1928 Summer Olympics in Amsterdam. Next. What does the Olympic motto Citias, Altius, Fortius means? Answer C. Faster, higher, stronger. Next. Olympic Games 2012 are being held in London. In which earlier year have the Olympic Games been held in London? Answer C. 1908 and 1948. London hosted the Olympic Games in 1908, 1948 and 2012. The 2012 Summer Olympic made London its first city who have hosted the modern game of 3 Olympiad. Next. At which of the following Olympic were gold medal made of pure gold last awarded? Answer A. 1912. Next. At which of the following cities have the Olympic Games not been held to which? Answer D. Atlanta. The 1996 Summer Olympics, officially known as the Game of the XXBI Olympiad, commonly known as Atlanta 1996. Next. Which city is the first in the world to be awarded both Summer and Winter Olympics? Answer C. Beijing. Next. Who won the gold medal for 400 meters run at 2 consecutive Olympic Games? Answer A. Michael Johnson. Johnson is the only male athlete in history of win both the 200 meters and 400 meters events at the same Olympics, a feat he accomplished at the 1996 Summer Olympic in Atlanta. Next. When are the past recorded Olympic held? Answer B. 776 BC. Next. Who of the following was the first female Olympic champion? Answer B. Caroline Cooper. In winning in Paris on 11th July 1900, she became the first female Olympic tennis champion as well as the first individual female Olympic champion. Next. At which of the following place is the Olympic flame light before the start of Olympic Games every 4 years? Answer C. Temple of Hera. Next. Who of the following was the first person to complete the 100-meter event in under 10 seconds? Answer A. Jim Hincks. In 1968, he became the first man to officially break the 10 seconds barrier in the 100 meter and won individual and relay gold at the Mexico City Olympics. Next. Who of the following in 1896 became the first champion of the modern Olympic game? Answer D. James Connolly. Next. Where are the headquarters of International Olympic Committee located? It is constituted in the form of an association under the Swiss Civil Code founded by Ferrier de Coubertin and Demetrios Biklas in 1894. So the correct answer is A. Lausanne, Switzerland. Next. At which of the following Olympic Games was the Olympic oath taken for the first time? Answer B. 1920, Athens. Next. In skateboarding's first Olympic events at Tokyo Olympics 2020, who won the gold medal in men's state event? Answer A. Yuta Origom. Next. Who of the following athlete has won the maximum number of individual gold medal at a single Olympic? Answer B. Michael Phelps. He is the most successful and most decorated Olympian of all times with a total of 28 medals. Phelps also holds the all-time records for Olympic gold medal, 23. Next. According to the Olympic Charter, the duration of competition of the Olympic Games shall not exceed. Answer D. 16 days. Next. In which year were the first modern Olympic Games held? Answer B. 1896. Game of International Olympiad, commonly known as Athens 1896, was the first international Olympic Games held in modern history, organized by the IOC, International Olympic Committee, which had been created by the French aristocrat Ferrier de Coubertin. Next. In how many events medal going to be awarded in Tokyo Olympic 2020? Answer B. 333. Next. Who will represent India in badminton's men's single event at Tokyo Olympic 2020? Answer A. Bishay Pranit. Next. Which sports is returning in Tokyo Olympics? Answer D. Baseball. Baseball or softball was one of 5 sports that were added to the program of 2020 Summer Olympic only. It will not return in 2024. Next. Which team won gold medal in archery in women's team event in Olympic 2020 Tokyo? Team of An Shan, Zhang Minhee, Kong Si-young. Those are the team of South Korea. So the correct answer is D, South Korea. Next. Who won the gold medal in men's 10-meter air rifle event in shooting at Tokyo Olympic by breaking the Olympic records? Answer C, Will Shanner. Next. Which team won the gold medal in softball, newly added sports in Tokyo Olympic 2020? Answer B, Japan. Next. Who break the Olympic record to win gold medal in women 200-meter butterfly swimming at Tokyo Olympic 2020? Answer A, Zhang Yupei, China. Next. Which athlete won gold medal in men's 400-meter freestyle artistic swimming event at Tokyo Olympics? Answer A, Ahmed Hafnaoui. Next. Athletes from which country won gold in rowing men's double sculls event in Tokyo Olympic 2020? Answer A, France. The team of Hugo Bocheron and Mathieu Androdias from France won. Next. For the first time in history, Pakistan entered one badminton player into the Olympic tournament at Tokyo 2020. Can you tell the name of this player? Answer C, Mohar Shahzad. She participated in women's single event. Next. Who wins a gold medal in first ever Olympic 800-meter freestyle swimming final? Answer A, Robert Fink, USA. Next. Who won the gold medal in men's 100-meter race event at Tokyo Olympic 2020? Michael Jacobs from Italy. So the correct answer is D, Michael Jacobs. Next. Who of the following gymnast was the first to be awarded a perfect score of 10 in an Olympic gymnastic event? Answer C, Nadia Comaneci. Norman Comaneci, US in 1976 at the age of 14 was the first gymnast to be awarded to perfect score of 10 at Olympic Games. So parents, thank you everyone to stay with us and a cordial request to everyone still now who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon for our future notification. Thanks a lot.